everyone, welcome back to another episode of SESAME's Ramen Hack Wednesdays. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed, who has liked, who has shared, who's subscribed, wait, I said that already, to my channel because I reached 1,000 subscribers, which means I made the YouTube partner program, which I'm super stoked about. It's been a goal of mine. It's always been a goal of mine to even start this channel. So it's super exciting. I'm super stoked about this and I can't wait to make even more videos for you guys. So thank you again. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I know like 90% of you have not, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button, just the top right hand corner to do that. So ramen hack every 2 weeks. What we're doing today, we're making a nice nutty sesame chili oil noodle. So this can be used with any instant noodle that you want. I would even recommend, if you don't have sesame paste or tahini, you could go ahead and use peanut butter. I'm not using that because I'm allergic, but you're gonna get this nuttiness, you're gonna get a hint of sourness and a ton of spice because if you know me, I love the heat. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we have our ingredients here. You could use any instant noodles you want. I'm using these ones from Costco that I hate. We have 1 Thai chili pepper, 1 scallion, some sesame paste, and you could use peanut butter if you want. I'm allergic. We have lime juice, some chili oil or chili paste, and soy sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and begin by slicing the ends of my green onion and just cutting my green onion up just like so. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with that chili pepper. Be careful, do not touch your eyeballs with this. It will burn, trust me, it's not fun. Bring some water to a boil and start to begin by cooking your noodles. These ones in particular cook for 2 minutes, but use whatever one that you want. In the meantime, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sesame paste, or you could go ahead and use peanut butter as I mentioned. I'm allergic, so I won't do that because I don't wanna die. We're gonna use about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Black vinegar also works really well here. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and then 3 tablespoons of chili oil. So you're gonna get that saltiness and spiciness as well from the chili pepper here and get all those seeds in if you wanna bring in the heat, if you know what I mean. Mix them all together so you get this beautiful brown paste. And then by that time, noodles will be done cooking. So drain them and then add them to your mixed sauce. You really want to ensure that each of the noodles are coated, well coated with all of that nutty and salty and spicy sauce. And again, don't forget to add in those green onions just for a little garnish. I do like adding a little bit of cucumber on top for some freshness to cool down the heat. But eat this up, add an egg, add your protein, and voila. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week.